carbon footprint will become effectively the key to unlocking the doors and designing the corridors into the low-carbon marketplace. I cannot see any product in the future, in the far future, where the carbon footprint is not managed.
The reduction commitment is the linchpin of our activity. And we also believe that it's only through real involvement, it's really by doing things that people can, understand the complexity, the specificities, and fundamentally the benefits, because there is a clear business case behind carbon footprint and carbon footprint reduction.
Therefore, we think it's very important that the companies in parallel are working with this carbon footprinting and this business-to-business general raising of competence.
Last year, Japanese cabinet decided to promote the carbon footprint. Okay? And then after that, many ministries joined this project and then promote the carbon footprint. That is the background of our Japanese government.
What is the thinking in Germany, in our government, relating to product carbon footprint and communication on climate change issues on products?
And when we speak about legislative powers of the Commission in the context of carbon footprinting, we have to mention not only the environmental policy and the powers in the area of environment, but also the internal market.
So business came to us because they felt that the risk of climate change and some of the policies around carbon were becoming more and more prevalent, and they were seeking some consistency on those and some standardization across different standards.
I think this kind of cross-product, cross-industry partnership proved very fruitful for the kinds of questions that were on the table in the beginning and will probably be in the coming months and years.
Then perhaps that's something that we should consider in designing sort of a practical and more cost-efficient international standard.
So the really main thing is to provide an objective information to the consumer.
There are a large number of ways in which this communication should occur. What are the minimum standards? What are the common things that are needed in this communication so that we're not misleading people? So we're presenting a full and objective result.